Today is my birthday and I've got some amazing things planned out for you, including my brand new IAMRENSI brush collection, and we're hosting an amazing birthday contest or challenge where you can win over 450 euros worth of prizes. Getting excited? I definitely am. Let's roll the intro. Today is exactly 29 years ago that I saw daylight for the first time, and I want to do something special for you guys today. At the beginning of this year, I asked you guys a question on what you expect from me in 2021 as a content creator or Affinity Photo guy, or however you like to call me. And there were two things that stood out by far, and that was one, brushes, and two, tutorials. Now, I promised you this year I will try my best to create 80 tutorials that are completely free to watch on YouTube, of course, but you also wanted brushes, so I've listened to you guys and I came up with 4 new amazing brushes that are launched from right now, right this moment. These brush packs are creative with nature, creative at night, creative with lightning, and creative with light. Now, as some of you might already know, these IAMRENSI brushes are not just any regular brushes, because with every single brush pack I have actually included 2 or more video tutorials on how to creatively use them in your photos or photo manipulations. Now, because it's my birthday, I wanted to do something special for you. So I was thinking with my sister, what can we do to the community? And we decided to bundle the whole 2021 March collection and offer it to you at a 33% discount. Now, the normal price for all these brushes separately would be 70 euros, but because we've got something to celebrate today, we decided to offer them to you for just 47 euros. Now, if you're interested in this, make sure to check out the link down below in the description, but I want to tell you something more. Because we're also hosting a birthday challenge, and there's some awesome things about this challenge, because when you participate you actually get the chance to win all of these brush packs, so you won't have to pay a single dollar. You can actually win all of them. Now, that is not everything. The number 1 will win all brush packs plus the art of photo manipulation, which is my signature course. The number 2 will win the art of photo manipulation. The number 3 will win all 4 brush packs, and the number 4 and 5 will win 1 brush pack free of choice. Now, you might ask yourself, how can I win this? So let me tell you. In order to get a chance to win these prizes, there are a couple of steps that you want to take. The first one is you want to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, because we will only hand out prizes to people who are actually subscribed to the channel. So if you're not subscribed already, then make sure to hit the button right now, because otherwise you cannot win these prizes. The second thing is that I want to challenge you to create an awesome or creative photo manipulation. But not just any photo manipulation, because for this challenge I actually created a birthday challenge asset pack, and I would like to invite you to use at least one of the assets that are included in this pack. And if you stick to the end of this video, I will actually show you a speed edit of how I created an entry for my own contest. Now, of course, I'm not gonna compete against you or with you, but it's just gonna be for fun. Now, you might think I just started out with photo manipulation, so it's gonna be very hard for me to create something cool, but we want to give everybody a fair chance to win. So what we'll do is the following. Winners will be chosen by my sister and I, and maybe I will involve some other people, I'm not sure yet, and they will be announced on March 25th. To give everybody a fair chance to win, we will review all artworks based on creativity and originality, and that counts for 75%, and the other 25% is based on execution. So the majority of the points, let's say what you can win for your entry, is based off creativity and originality. So even for beginners, if you're very creative but you cannot execute it super well, you will also have a very good chance to win these awesome prizes. Now, this is just a very quick overview of how to participate. More information on this challenge, you can find it on my website, and I will link it down below in the description. Otherwise, it would be academy.iamrensi.com.
iamrensi.com/p/B-Day-challenge. Alright, now enough blah blah. Let's actually jump into Affinity Photo and let me do a speed edit on what I would do for my own contest. Not that I compete with you or against you, but just to give you some inspiration. Let's go. So that would be my entry and I cannot wait to see what you will come up with. Now dive right into the video descriptions, check out all the links, check out the birthday brush bundle, check out the birthday challenge, and if you feel generous and you want to share coffee with me on my birthday, you can even do so. This link will also be down below in the description. Thank you so much for watching and talk to you soon. Ciao ciao. Okay, I got one shot for this.